Hello everyone. Hey, look at my latest in my series of flying birds. This one is the pigeon. It's a flock of flying pigeons, and it makes a very interesting comparison to the seagulls that we looked at last time. Now both are considered vermin in many people's eyes, but just as they say a weed is a flower in the wrong place, we can also see vermin as creatures in the wrong place. That said, the definition of vermin are creatures that eat crops and carry disease, so we can't really overlook that. But all that said, I like pigeons. I particularly like the iridescence on their necks and breasts. So what I've done here is I've used the same but different dichro. This could be the same pigeon in the different lights. It's also very, very monochromatic, not least because it's got the white background. I don't think I've used white for a background very often, but in this case I think it really works. I really think it looks like they're flying. And what happens with pigeons is that they'll all do everything as a flock. So they'll all be quite happy, scampering around on the ground, eating away, and then something will happen, a noise or whatever, or one of them gets an idea to take off, and they will all take off. And that's kind of what we're seeing here and what I was trying to show. As usual, I've written an accompanying verse, which goes like this. A flock of flying pigeons. Many people are of the opinion that pigeons are vermin, like the common rat. Me, I consider that position too solemn. I like seeing them sitting upon Nelson's column.